Hello and welcome to my shop. This is Jim Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll be doing something interesting, so hang around, let's have fun. I've step drilled this thing up, obviously, because the size is involved. I have an expanding mandrel that's actually about 1.25 inches. I'm going to use it around with. Well, I'll be damned. Folks, it's a Chinese drill bit right there, Dad. Check that out, would you? Check this out. Chinese drill bit right there. Never seen that. Okay, you seen the little problem that I had a minute ago, and I wanted to cover that a little better, so let me slide up here. Basically, this is a drill I'd ordered a while back. It's 1.25 inch S&D drill, and then I was using my Rohm chuck. What happened is the drill bit a little bit just like grabbed, and when it grabbed, the drill chuck, you know how these work, they tightened up and torqued it. And literally, instead of just stalling or spinning, it twisted. If you can, I don't know if you can see this, but it literally twisted this in two and twisted the piece down in the drill chuck. So when I removed the drill chuck, which I had to do it in the vise, it busted inside the drill. So that's a very expensive proposition. I've had that Rohm a while, and it's been a good chuck. It just bit the bullet right then. And I might get tear it apart and rebuild it, and might not. This chuck uses screw-on mounts. So right now this is just dead. I just went inside and ordered a new ball bearing chuck and everything from Travers to replace it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's put a disclaimer out of the way. This video is my idea how to do things. It's not the only way. So I hope you enjoyed it today. The other thing, comments are always welcome. Please take the time, if you feel so inclined, to make a comment on my videos. Also, I appreciate all my subscribers, the new ones and the new ones. And finally, the other disclaimer. This is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment on YouTube. Thank you, have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.